Refining 210 ounces scrap silver part 2. In this video, I will be using electricity, sea salt, and water to recover the silver off these silver plated items. Though it may look like the positive side is the side breaking down, it's actually the negative side of the terminal. This will slowly corrode, dropping all the metals into solution. The length of time required will depend on the thickness of the plating and the voltage that is used. I usually let it sit for 3 minutes at a time before cleaning up the silver. The power supply box provides 3 different voltages. It has 3.3 volts orange wire, 5 volts red wire, and 12 volts yellow wire. All the black wires are negative, so I connected my black clamp to the black wire that was closest to the yellow wire. Then I connected my positive side. Red is always positive, but in this case, the positive wire from the power supply box was yellow, so I connected the red clamp to the yellow wire, which is the 12 volt wire. The power supply box has a built-in short automatic safety switch that will go off for in case anything that's not supposed to happen happens. The green wire is an off and on switch to install a switch. I took the switch from a PC that I scrapped. After you are done doing the process, you just let it sit for a while. Once it sits, then you can go ahead and pour off all the excess water and salt, get that all filtered and out of the way. And then from there, what you're going to want to do is add in some muriatic acid. The muriatic acid is going to take out most of the coppers or any unwanted metals that got into it. Keep adding until it all turns gray. All of it is just going to be practically some silver, little impurities. Now you still want to run it through nitric acid. The reason why I do it this way is because if I was to run it, these metals, silver plated metals from the beginning with nitric acid, it would just take up too much nitric acid. Believe me, I know. I've done it. Like you can see here. Also, it's just way too unfriendly to the environment and to yourself. Definitely use PPE if you're doing this. But like I said, doing it this way is going to save you a whole lot more money. I used a whole bottle of nitric acid for that. For this, I've only used a little bit of salt and water. I got all my silver out. As you can see, I did knock down the impurities, and then from there I can go straight to aqua regia and then with a lime sugar to extract it to pure silver. Okay, so this is going to be a lot easier. Now, if you want to learn a lot more about this, I am going to be live extracting this here, so come join me on my live. This is not pure silver. It is a good amount of silver that I melted from this, from the candlesticks part, but we're gonna go ahead and run it this way and see how much we get. Stick around for part 3.